Hello everyone, this is a video on request, logic-based questions from the short story Fritz written by Satyajit Ray for all ISC 2024 students. In today's session, I'm going to discuss 35 very important give reasons from this short story. Let us start today's discussion. The narrator, Shankar, could not help asking Jointo if he was well because Jointo seemed to be in low spirits. The key expression here, Jointo seemed to be in low spirits and had a slightly preoccupied air that day. Now, I have taken these two pieces of information from the text. It is there in the very beginning of the story, Fritz. So read the text thoroughly and try to frame a single reason in your own words. The length of the reasons, that is going to vary depending on the question. Question number 2. Jointo and Shankar had been planning a trip to Rajasthan for quite some time because what is the key area here? What is the key expression here? For quite some time. So it was taking time for them to make a plan, a solid plan. And why was that? Because Jointo worked in the editorial division of a newspaper and Shankar taught in a school. Therefore, the main difficulty lay in both of them being able to get away together. Again, these words are there in the text. The main difficulty lay in both of them being able to get away together. Dear students, do check the pinned comment section for all important video links and playlists related to your syllabus. Jointo kept talking about going to Bundi and Shankar had no objection because having read Tagore's poem, The Fort of Bundi, Shankar was familiar with the name of the place and felt a pleasurable excitement at the prospect of actually seeing the fort. And therefore, Shankar had no objection. So what are the key areas here? He had read Tagore's poem and he was familiar with the name of the place and he felt a pleasurable excitement at the prospect of actually seeing the fort. Not many people came to Bundi because it could be that from the point of view of a historian, Udaipur, Jodhpur and Chittor had a lot more attractions to offer. So Bundi was not really very popular among the tourists. Question 5. Jointo was insisting on Bundi because he had as a child come to Bundi and had always wanted to return after growing back just to see how much the modern Bundi compared to the image he had in his mind, and therefore he insisted on Bundi. Jointo had as a child come to Bundi because his father Animesh Dasgupta had worked in the archaeological department and his work sometimes took him to historical places and also to Bundi. Because of his father's job requirements, Jointo had come as a child to Bundi. It seemed as though Jointo and Shankar were back in old Rajputana because Bundi still retained its old world charm and heritage. The streets were cobbled, the balconies were jutting out from the first floor, the electric poles also represented modern times. The electric poles alone represented, let me just change it, the electric poles alone represented modern times. So it was really difficult for them to believe that they lived in an age of machines. So, dear students, read the text and frame the reasons in such a way so that you may incorporate as many important keywords and expressions as possible in just a single reason. Now, question number 8. Jointo had turned rather quiet after arriving in Bundi because he was more emotional than most people and perhaps the return of some of his childhood memories made him a little depressed. More emotional than most people and the return of some childhood memories made him a little depressed. Therefore, he turned rather quiet after arriving in Bundi. The next one now. Jointo and Shankar went for a stroll in the garden after tea, but Jointo suddenly stopped walking because he remembered. And what did he remember? A deodar tree, and was trying to figure out its location. Jointo recalled the whole business about the doll slowly because when in Bundi, the memory of the deodar tree triggered excitement and anxiety in Jointo, and as he began to put fragments of memories together, the intriguing story of Fritz emerged. He remembered the story of the doll, and it was a slow process because, according to Jointo, memory is a strange business. Fritz was not the usual kind of doll little girls play with because apparently it was very lifelike, and although it was not mechanized, it was possible to bend and twist his limbs, and his face had a smile on it. Jointo's parents warned him not to overdo things because as a child he played only with Fritz, had one-sided conversations with him for long hours and was obsessed. So instead of it, we will use him for Fritz because in the text it is mentioned as his. The pronoun his is used for Fritz. Jointo had all the time in the world for Fritz because he had not yet been put to school, so he could play with Fritz for a long period of time. It seemed that Fritz could understand every word of Jointo because Fritz had a funny smile on his lips and a certain kind of look in his eyes during the one-sided conversations. At least, this was the impression of Jointo about Fritz. Fritz did not exist for Jointo anymore, and it was dead because, having been attacked by a couple of stray dogs, the face of Fritz was battered beyond recognition and its clothes were also torn. Therefore, Jointo, who was just a child, thought that it was dead. Jointo wanted to make a coffin because he arranged a funeral for Fritz, who was dead, and Fritz was after all a European. Because of these 2 points, Jointo wanted to make a coffin for Fritz. Jointo buried Fritz just like that without a coffin because he could not find anything, because he could find nothing, not even a little box. Shankar fell asleep barely 10 minutes after hitting the pillow because he was feeling rather tired after the day's activities and the bed was very comfortable. So he wanted to take rest and he fell asleep very quickly. After this, although Shankar fell asleep barely 10 minutes after hitting the pillow, he woke up a little later because there was a slight noise, and this noise woke him up. Because of this reason, despite his tiredness, he woke up. And then the next one, Jointo woke up the first time. He woke up twice. He woke up the first time because he heard a shuffling noise near the window. You must mention this in your reason. He heard a shuffling noise near the window. And then it's time for question number 21. Jointo woke up the second time because he felt that something walked over his chest and he was filled with fear. So the first time a shuffling noise heard, and the second time something walked over his chest and he was filled with fear. After this, 22, very quickly, Jointo was staring hard at the cover of his quilt because he had seen tiny brown circular marks on it, and this along with his experience at night of some small thing walking on 2 legs on his chest intensified his anxiety and horror, and he was staring hard at the cover of his quilt. It was obvious that something had deeply disturbed Jointo, but Shankar had to get a little more sleep because it was 2:30 in the morning and lack of sleep would make him tired. And this would have an impact on the sightseeing plans they had the next day, which would have an impact on their sightseeing the following day. Shankar had no doubt that Jointo only had a bad dream because he, being the skeptical and logical in thought. So, Shankar was skeptical, logical, and Jointo was emotional. And Shankar, being the skeptical and logical in thought, was convinced that all those childhood memories had upset Jointo, and that was what had led to his dreaming of a cat walking on his chest. So this was some kind of a logical explanation, since Shankar was logical. 25. Shankar thought that he must give Jointo one of the tranquilizers he had brought with him because Jointo was mentally agitated, disturbed, and Shankar could see in the morning that he had not slept well the previous night. Jointo started when Shankar called him by his name. What is the meaning of started? He was surprised, he was shocked, he was startled because he was absent-minded. Mentioned this and did not seem to notice his presence even when Shankar went and stood beside him near a wall on the terrace. He was so lost in his thoughts, he was so preoccupied with his thoughts. Shankar would definitely have spent a little more time at the fort, but he decided in favor of returning to the circuit house because one look at Jointo, who was morose and anxious, made him take this decision. One look at Jointo. Mention this in your reason. Dear students, go through this worksheet and I'm sure you will be able to write any reason from Fritz. And now the next one, I've just turned the page. Shankar, let me just adjust. Shankar was worried about Jointo when he was sitting with him in the back of the car because there was a veiled excitement in the movement of his hands and there was an odd restlessness in Jointo. And therefore, Shankar was worried. Shankar was feeling lost and helpless while discussing the matter with Jointo because the latter, that is, Jointo, was convinced that Fritz came into their room the previous night and those little marks on his quilt were his footprints. And how could Shankar talk sensibly to someone whose mind was obsessed with such an absurd idea, illogical idea, and therefore he was feeling lost and helpless. He did not know what to do so that he could help his friend. A tranquilizer might not be good enough because Jointo was so upset by a simple memory from childhood that a nerve tonic or some such thing would have a soothing effect on his obsessed mind. The two important aspects here: obsessed mind and nerve tonic that would have a soothing effect. After this, 31, very quickly, an idea came to Shankar's mind in the bath that if Fritz's grave could be dug, it would be helpful because if Jointo could be shown a few remains of Fritz in the grave like the buckle of the belt or brass buttons on a jacket, perhaps Jointo might be able to rid himself of his weird notions, of his absurd thoughts. After this, the last set, 32 now, Jointo must get rid of his weird notions because if that did not happen, he would have strange dreams every night and talk of Fritz, walk on his chest and eventually go totally mad. So something had to be done. 33. It was the month of October and not at all warm in Bundi, yet the collar of Jointo's shirt was soaked in sweat because he was mentally agitated and was too overwhelmed by his obsession with Fritz to control his excitement, expectation, and nervousness, and therefore he was sweating. This shows his excitement. Uncontrollable excitement. Psychological turmoil. You may also add this word. It's psychological turmoil. So there was a disturbance, upheaval in Jointo's mind. He was nervous, he was excited, he was anticipating something, but he could not properly make others believe what he was thinking. Jointo, Shankar and the gardener gaped at the ground open-mouthed in horror, amazement and disbelief, because this is very important. Learn this. There lay at their feet, covered in dust, lying flat on its back, a 12-inch long, pure white, perfect little human skeleton. Therefore, they were filled with horror. And the last one, Fritz by Satyajit Ray can be classified as a good short story because a single reason, because a sense of eeriness pervades throughout the story, and the ending, I have incorporated 2 points in a single reason, a sense of eeriness and the ending of the story, which is a perfect climax to a slow build-up of mystery and suspense. And this provokes the response of the readers. And this is what a good short story, a good ghost story must do, provoke the response of the readers. And the ending of the story provokes the response of the readers. So here I'll just put a comma and let me just read it once again. A sense of eeriness pervades throughout the story, number 1, and the ending of the story, which is a perfect climax to a slow build-up of mystery and suspense, provokes the response of the good readers. Therefore, this is indeed a good ghost story. Dear students, I end this session here and I hope you have liked this session. Subscribe to our channel and go through all the playlists to prepare yourselves well.